Sirius, known as the dog star, is not just the brightest star in the night sky, it is a celestial icon that has captured human imagination for thousands of years. This luminous star, located in the constellation Canis Major, the Greater Dog, has a rich history that spans across various cultures and scientific advancements. From ancient Egyptian rituals to modern astrophysics, Sirius has played a pivotal role in our understanding of the cosmos. The science of Sirius. Sirius is a binary star system consisting of two stars, Sirius A, a bright main sequence star, and Sirius B, a faint white dwarf. Sirius A, the primary component, is about twice as massive as the Sun and 25 times more luminous. It is a type A1b star, meaning it is white and extremely hot, with a surface temperature of around 9,940 K. Sirius B, on the other hand, is a much smaller and fainter companion, the remnant of a star that exhausted its nuclear fuel and collapsed into a dense white dwarf. The two stars in the Sirius system orbit each other with a period of about 50 years, though Sirius B is so faint that it was not discovered until 1862 by the American telescope maker and astronomer Alvin Graham Clark. The brightness of Sirius A, combined with the proximity of the system to Earth just 8.6 light-years away, makes Sirius the most luminous star visible from our planet. The ancient legacy of Sirius. Sirius has been a significant star in human history, influencing both ancient mythology and practical applications such as timekeeping and navigation. Egyptian astronomy and religion. One of the earliest known associations with Sirius comes from ancient Egypt, where the star was called Sopde by the Egyptians and was closely linked to the goddess Isis. The heliacal rising of Sirius, when the star first becomes visible on the eastern horizon just before sunrise, occurred around the time of the annual flooding of the Nile River. This event was crucial for agriculture and was marked as the start of the Egyptian calendar. The Egyptians revered Sirius as a harbinger of renewal and life, deeply embedding it into their religious practices and astrological beliefs. Greek and Roman mythology. The Greeks and Romans also recognized the significance of Sirius, naming it after the Greek word Sirios, which means glowing or scorching. In Greek mythology, Sirius is associated with the hunter Orion's faithful dog, and its rising was thought to bring the hottest days of the year, hence the term dog days of summer. The star's intense brightness and its position as the leader of the Canis Major constellation further enhanced its mythological status. The Romans, adopting much of Greek culture, also considered Sirius an omen of heat and drought. Indigenous Australian astronomy. Indigenous Australians have a long-standing tradition of stargazing, and Sirius features prominently in their sky lore. The Yinka people of northern Australia, for example, refer to Sirius as Barnum Bear and consider it a significant celestial figure. Barnum Bear is said to guide the spirits of the dead to the afterlife and is linked to the morning star, Venus. The star's rising and setting patterns are woven into their cultural stories, emphasizing the deep connection between the cosmos and indigenous spiritual beliefs. Other cultural connections. Many other cultures around the world have recognized and celebrated Sirius. In Polynesian navigation, Sirius was used as an important star for voyaging across the vast Pacific Ocean. In Hindu astronomy, Sirius is known as Vrigia, the deer, and is associated with the god Rudra, a form of Shiva. The star's brightness and consistency made it an essential part of the celestial navigation systems used by ancient mariners. Sirius in modern astronomy. The scientific study of Sirius began in earnest during the Renaissance and continued into the modern era. Early telescopic observations by Galileo Galilei in the 17th century marked the beginning of a new era in stellar astronomy, though it wasn't until the 19th century that Sirius B was discovered. Discovery of Sirius B. In 1844, the German astronomer Friedrich Bessel noticed that Sirius seemed to be wobbling slightly in its motion across the sky, suggesting the presence of an unseen companion. This led to the prediction that Sirius was part of a binary system. In 1862, Alvin Graham Clark, while testing a new telescope, observed Sirius B for the first time, confirming Bessel's hypothesis. Sirius B became one of the first white dwarfs ever discovered, providing critical insights into the final stages of stellar evolution. Sirius in astrophysics. The study of Sirius has contributed significantly to our understanding of stellar dynamics, binary star systems, and white dwarf stars. Observations of Sirius B have allowed scientists to test theories of quantum mechanics and general relativity due to the extreme gravitational conditions on the white dwarf's surface. The intense gravitational field of Sirius B causes light to redshift, a phenomenon predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity and observed directly in the system. Cultural resurgence and popularity. In contemporary times, Sirius continues to capture public imagination, often featured in science fiction, literature, and art. Its brightness makes it a popular target for amateur astronomers and a symbol of cosmic wonder. Moreover, Sirius's role in historical navigation and timekeeping practices is often highlighted in educational materials, underlining its enduring legacy. The future of Sirius. Sirius will continue to be a focal point of both cultural and scientific interest for years to come. Astronomers are still studying the intricate details of its binary system, using advanced techniques such as astrometry and spectroscopy to learn more about its properties. Additionally, the story of Sirius's place in history serves as a reminder of how our ancestors used the night sky to guide their lives, rituals, and understanding of the world around them. As we continue to explore the cosmos, Sirius stands out as a beacon of human curiosity and the quest for knowledge. From ancient rituals to modern astrophysics, the dog star has illuminated both the sky and the minds of those who seek to understand the universe. Its brilliance is more than just physical, it is a symbol of the enduring human spirit to explore, learn, and find meaning in the stars.